Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a Google Chrome update error code 0x800400902. So if you're coming across this issue, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have several commands in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy each one at a time and then paste them into the top bar of the command prompt window here. And then we're just going to right click, edit, and paste in order to paste that in. So again, you right click on the top bar of the command prompt, left click on edit, and then paste it in. Hit enter to run each one of them here. So some of them, if you maybe didn't have Chrome open, it says not found because I don't have Chrome open. I already closed it out. So I would suggest you guys do close out of Chrome before starting regardless. So don't be surprised if some of them say it's not running because, well, obviously it's not running at the moment. But, you know, if you're still having an issue, you can always try opening it up and then run all these, but you should have the same result either way here. And then once that's done, I would suggest closing out of here and then reopening the Chrome browser and attempt to install the updates again, or at least go to the update page and then see if that will be able to kickstart the update process once again. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.